How to open or create new RingCentral account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up on RingCentral app. For that, go ahead and open the RingCentral application on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store. Once you launch, open the application. If you already have an account, tap on the sign in option. If you do not have an account and you want to create a new one, tap on the create free account option. Now, you will have to select if you are under 16 or 16 or older. After that, you can easily continue with your Google account, or you can enter your email address over here. After you enter your email address, tap on the create free account option. Now tap on the confirm option after you have confirmed your email address. Now an email has been sent to the email address you just entered. You want to click the link in order to activate your account. This is the kind of mail you will receive. Simply tap on the activate account option. Now you will have to enter some of your information such as first name, then enter your surname. Now you can enter your company name, however this is optional. After that, you want to create a strong password. Now you want to check both of these boxes and tap on the create my account option. As you can see, your new account has been created. You can send a message or start a video meeting now, or tap on the skip option for now. And as you can see, your new RingCentral account has been created, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.